Alright, Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from Megan James Project. Magandang Tuesday noon sa lahat ng delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo panood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yung Dr. Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat ng gusto magpa-coach sa atin, online or personal, and if you want to advertise your own YouTube channel or your business, message ka lang 0939-525-4311. Alright, kagabi na tayo ng Lion King at ang dami nating, ang dami na sulat ng kasama ko. Salamat sa akin na kasama kagabi sa panonood ng sine. So, hindi niya na-enjoy talaga. Nagsulat lang siya ng mga lines. Yun ang assignment niya. Sabi ko, manood tayo. Pero, make sure, pipick up ka dyan ng mga quotes or lines na pwede natin gamitin sa vlog, sa seminar. So, marami. Isa lang natin. Isa-isain lang natin. Okay? I heard this line. I want some personal space, or hindi ko alam kung na-overheard ko lang, personalized space ba yun, pero let's stick to I want personal space, diba? Alam niyo lahat tayo, we need personal space. Bisan di mo ba napapansin ang buhay mo? Wala ka na ang personal space. Lahat ng buhay mo, your 24 hours is occupied by the people, your friends, your family, work, business, associates, and everything. And at the end of the day, hindi sa 24 hours na yon, kahit 5 minutes hindi ka nagkaroon ng personal space. I mean, that space that is intended for you. That time, that place, and that thing you call space, hindi ka nagkaroon. And we need that. We need personal space. Okay? So, kung di ba kailangan may personal space, nakakaraos naman ako. Yun nga eh. Kaya minsan hindi tayo nag-grow. Kaya minsan hindi tayo nakakagawa ng ibang bagay. Wala tayong personal space. We are being run by errands, run by the tasks ahead of us, occupied by the people that are there around us, that sometimes dictating us kung ano gagawin natin. Diba napapansin mo? Minsan dinidiktahan ka na lang ng tao sa paligid mo. Kung saan sila kakain ng lunch, doon kakain ng lunch. Diba? Kung saan sila sasakay pa uwi, doon ka na rin sasakay. Wala kang personal decision, wala kang personal space. Alright? So, ito kung anong dapat mong gawin. Ang dapat mong gawin, starting today, gayahin mo yung character. Di ko lang ma-recall kung ano paano ng character. Okay? Gayahin mo siya, sabi niya, I want or I need personal space. You need personal space for 4 reasons. Right? 4 reasons. Like now, ako, alam mo yung lunch break, I have my personal space. Pagdating ko sa school kanina, late tayo ng 5 minutes, 7:35 hanggang 12. Nandun lang ako in my office kasi meron kaming tinatapos. Very hectic ang schedule namin ngayon, basic department. Buong Asia Pacific because of one accreditation, okay? So, kanina I was with my office mates, I was with my coordinator, Ma'am Leia, thank you, Ma'am Annie, Ma'am Jen, and everyone sa school namin. So, yung space ko kanina, yung time ko, nasa kanila. And this lunch break, this 1 hour, I need personal space. Kaya every lunch break talaga, kung wala din lang urgent, wala din lang management meeting, I'm here sa Starbucks, okay, for personal space. Okay? Alright, so, ano ba pwede mong gawin when you have personal space? O ano pwede mangyari sa'yo? Okay. You need personal space. Teka lang po nag-message lang. Baka urgent. I need personal space. Ano lang po Alright, okay. So, number 1 is to learn the skills or the knowledge that you need to learn and you want to learn, okay? You need personal space para naman yung mga dapat mong matutunan, natutunan mo. Kasi masyado ka nang occupied ng maraming bagay sa buhay mo. Hindi mo na natutunan yung mga basic na dapat mong natutunan. O yung mga gusto mo dapat malaman, magawa, hindi mo na siya nagawa. Kasi nga wala kang personal space. Okay? Gusto mong aralin yung ganitong concept, hindi mo siya na maaral. Kasi hanggang 11 p.m. wala kang personal space. Matutulog ka na lang, may kausap ka pa. Wala ka na space, matutulog ka na lang, meron ka pang ka-chat. Diba? Gabi na lang, maghapon na kayo magkasama sa office, magtatawagan pa. Diba? Wala ka ng personal space to learn the things that you need to learn. Okay? Yung minsan hindi tayo nag-grow professionally. Kailangan mo magbasa, hindi ka nakakapagbasa. Kailangan mo manood ng motivational videos, hindi ka nakakapanood. Kailangan mo mag-pray, mag-meditate, hindi ka nakakapag-meditate kasi wala kang personal space. You don't have space. Kapatid, lagyan mo ng space sarili mo. Lagyan mo ng personal space, okay? Because you need to learn, you need to grow. As a human being, as an individual, as a business owner, as an employee, you need to grow. Okay? And how are you going to grow? Right? So you need to learn things. Diba? And how are you going to do that? You need some space. You need space. Okay? Number 2. Number 2. You need personal space so that you can launch the things that you want to launch. Alam nyo, pag ngayon mamaya, bago kang matulog. Di ba meron ka mga gustong subukang bagay? Hindi mo siya magawa eh. Kasi yung Sabado mo, alis ka. Attend ka ng birthday. Magkamat walang masama dyan, attend ka ng ganito, sasama mo si pupunta kayo dito. O matatapos na may weekend mo na wala kang nangyari, na hindi mo na-launch yung gusto mong gawin. Gusto mo sana magsulat, di ba, ng book. Pero hindi mo siya magawa. Wala kang space. Gusto mo sana magsimula ng online business mo, mamimili ka na, wala ka na namang space. May nagyaya na naman sa'yo, sumama ka na naman. Diba? Wala ka na space eh. Gusto mong magbago ng career, mag-search, mag-shift from this career to another career, hindi mo siya magawa, hindi mo siya ma-launch. Diba? Hindi mo siya mapag-isipan, hindi ka makapag-apply kasi nga wala kang personal space. Occupied ka, kapatid, ng mga maraming tao sa paligid natin. Diba? So you cannot launch the things that you want to do. Gusto mo sana mag-aral, mag-golf, kaya lang hindi mo siya magawa, hindi mo ma-launch. Diba? Gusto mo sana mag-piano, kumanta, magsayaw, gawin yung gusto mo, magtayo ng ganito. Diba? But you can't do it because you don't have personal space. Right? You need space, kapatid, to launch the things na gusto mong simulan. Okay? And number 3, you need personal space to explore more. To travel. Diba? Pwede na umalis, mag-isa, dalawa kayo, it's okay. Diba? Hindi ka na makaalis eh. Yung summer vacation mo, wala pa din. Diba? Occupied ka pa rin ng maraming bagay na hindi naman tayo nagiging successful. Sana kung occupied ka, wala kang space na bagong buhay mo, okay na sana yun. Kaya natin tanggapin eh. Diba? Ay, Dr. busy ako kasi pero nababago naman yung buhay ko. Nagka-coach ako. Nakapagpatayo ako ng bahay. Nagkaroon ako ng investment. Masaya ako. Sana ganun eh. Kaya lang, hindi ka naman nakakapag-explore eh. Diba? Lagi yung sinasabi, you can't even travel. Diba? Yung Hong Kong na nandyan lang, hindi mo puntahan. Yung nearby province mo lang, hindi mo pupuntahan kasi occupied ka ng mga bagay-bagay, tao talaga, tao sa paligid mo. Diba? You need space, alright? You need space, okay? And number 4, you need personal space to be yourself. Baka nakakalimutan mo na kung sino ka. Baka pag tinanong kita ngayon, what is your favorite color? Baka hindi mo naman ako masagot eh. Kasi hindi mo nakikilala yung sarili mo eh. Hindi mo na alam kung anong gusto mong gawin. Hindi mo na alam kung saan ka masaya. Cafe latte ba? Mocha ba? Cheesecake ba? Ordinary cake? Spaghetti ba? Pansit ba? You don't know yourself. Kasi wala na eh. Wala ka ng personal space eh. Pag lahat kumain na ng pansit, doon ka na lang din. Di ba? You can't be yourself anymore. Alam mo, kaya hindi mo masagot yung isang tanong doon eh. Sa Lion King, who are you? Ano yung tanong, who are you? Diba? Sino ka? Hindi hindi na natin masagot yun eh. Minsan pag sinabi sa describe yourself, minsan pag nag-interview po ako ng applicant, tell something about yourself. Minsan binibigay yung ano eh. Iba yung binibigay. May sinasabi. Di ba? Pag sinabi sa'yo, okay, pag sinulat ang sarili mo, nagsulat ka, 1 paragraph, or 5 sentences, ano yung 5 sentences na yun? What are your skills? Alam mo ba? Minsan pag may kinupost po ako, tatanong ko simple, oh, what can you do? What are the things what are your passion? Wala, madalang ang agad nakakasagot. Kasi sometimes we don't know ourselves. Hindi natin masagot yung tanong, who are you? Sino ka talaga? Di ba? Hindi natin masagot yun eh. Right? Be yourself. Have personal space. Have personal space. Right? So, deliver simpleng line. Alam ako, yung kahapon, I watched, nanood ako ng Lion King. That's 2.5 hours. I think, nag-travel ako. Kumain kami. So, siguro, yung 3 hours, sabi ko nung umaga, I was talking to Mom Joyce. Sabi ko, Ma'am, sabi ko, manonood kasi ako hindi. Sayang time ko. Sabi niya, manood ka na doon para mapanood mo sila yung King. So, una, nanginayang ko sa 3 hours eh. Kasi ang dami ko na pwedeng gawin doon eh. Ang dami na talaga. Yung 3 hours ko, marami na akong pwedeng gawin. Okay? Na-delay nga ako ng coaching. Pero, it doesn't matter. Just learning this new thing, have personal space. Okay? And help me also to reflect. Okay? Ako din naman nagre-reflect. Kung wala na akong personal space. Ikaw, may personal space ka pa ba? You need personal space. Alright? So, hindi lahat na 24 hours mo spending it with all the people around you. At pagdating ng gabi, hindi ka na nakapag-pray. Wala na, ni 10 minutes na book, hindi ka na makapubusan ng 10 minutes. Okay? So, you have to do that. You need personal space so that you can answer the question, who are you? Alright? Okay, so please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayo mabago at mula dating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, universe. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go.